Hey Mountain Kids, this is Rob Wade with a little more outdoor core, and this is for you, grade level K or TK, K. Kindergarten, you're the garden. So I'm turning you around right here because I'm in my garden. And I'm really grateful because the kindergartners have been helping me to plant my garden. There are some things in the garden that are already coming up, like this comfrey right here, and strawberries and raspberries. And even all the way in bed number 5, some asparagus and onions are growing there already, which is really cool. But I have a few beds that are empty, and the kindergarten has been helping me. Today, I actually, on May 7th, 2020, I had Mrs. Bowling's class from Carmichael Elementary School join me. And it was a sunny day here in Meadow Valley, as you can see from our day plan. And first we got ready. And then I took out the compost and I emptied it. And then I went and watered the tomato plants that were in the greenhouse. And then we came out here to the garden to take a tour and to plant and to water. And of all the seeds that we looked at, they decided that they wanted to grow tomato seeds. And so I actually need to add that to a few of my notes here. But we had a few different whiteboards here. One with the question, what seed should we plant? What seed should we plant? I let them choose between carrots, cucumbers, beets, peppers, or tomatoes, and they chose tomato. And these were some other seeds I had as well, but these were the choices. So thank you very much. And then ultimately over here on this board, this is a map of my garden. And right next to the leeks, I'm going to write down tomatoes so I can keep track of what is growing in bed number 2. And then ultimately over here, you can see that while I have leeks growing right here, we just planted some cherry tomatoes right in this little area of the bed. So pretty exciting. Whether you grow one little seed or you grow a lot of seeds in an entire garden, you can do some wonderful things because we all love to eat food. It's really great in the mountains to learn how to grow food as well. So mountain kids, especially you kindergarten, get out there, and your homework is to grow one little seed. Now you do not have to go out and buy a seed. You can get a seed from a cucumber or from a tomato that you have in your house. If you have any seeds at all, you can just pick a single seed, get a little bit of soil, put it into a cup, and even grow it right in your bedroom as long as you put it by the window where it can get light. Because we know sun, soil, water, and air is everything that a plant needs to grow. Those 4 things: sun, soil, water, and air. And so if you take a seed and you take really good care of it, it will grow. And on the Outdoor Core Mountain Kid page for kindergarten, there is a song I want you to listen to called Itty Bitty Seed by my friend Willie T. Taylor, where he says, put an itty bitty seed in the ground, itty bitty seed, let it grow. Put an itty bitty seed in the ground, let it go, watch it grow. And then he tells you through the song what you need to do for the seed. You need to give some water to the itty bitty seed. You need to give some sun to the itty bitty seed, and you need to give some love, which means you need to take care of that seed. And if you do, it will grow into a plant that will give food for your tongue and for your tummy. So get on out there, mountain kids. Have some fun. And again, you don't have to grow a full garden. Just take one itty bitty seed and plant it and let it grow. All right, thanks, kindergarten. Take good care. Bye-bye.